Hello, welcome to Term 5 in our CTC101 course. My name is Dr. Brianne Wynn, but you can call me Dr. Bree. Please take note that the first official day of this term is Monday, March 6th, and the last day of the first unit or the first week is Sunday, March 12th. Please keep those dates in mind. I'm really looking forward to a great term, but in order to get started on the right foot, I recommend doing a few things. First and foremost, please review the welcome email that I sent to both your post and personal email addresses. Let me know if you have any questions and or concerns after reading that. Next, head on over to the Unit 1 discussion board and introduce yourself. I also highly recommend reading a few of your classmates' posts and responding to them. Next, go to the Meet the Instructor tab. There you can learn a little bit about me as well as locate my contact information. Lastly, please go to the Course Info tab and download the syllabus. You can review it, but you can also download it to your device or your computer, whatever you're working with. I'm really looking forward to a great term, and I hope that each and every one of you are as well. Take care.